Wonders of nature. Picture a realm where everyday sights become spectacular visions, where the natural world unfolds its most astonishing and dreamlike splendors. Join us on an expedition around the globe, where we reveal the captivating mysteries of Earth's rarest and most enigmatic wonders. From terrains so surreal they seem crafted by imagination, to phenomena that challenge our understanding. These are the moments when our planet proudly displays its creative brilliance. Before we embark together on this journey through nature's hidden artistry, allow us to share an intriguing revelation with you. Nature's pink marvel, Australia's Lake Hillier. In the heart of Western Australia lies a breathtaking natural wonder, Lake Hillier, with its vivid pink waters glowing like a sunset captured in liquid form. This surreal pink hue arises from a rare biochemical synergy. The salt-loving microalgae Dunaliella salina and the pink-pigmented Archeon salinibacter ruber. Thriving in the lake's extreme salinity, they jointly paint the waters into this ethereal, otherworldly spectacle. But this phenomenon is more than just a pretty sight, it's a fascinating scientific puzzle. How do these tiny organisms transform ordinary water into a pink paradise? What can they teach us about life's adaptability in extreme environments? Join us as we unravel the secrets behind one of Earth's most striking natural wonders. Before we unveil nature's breathtaking wonders, we're eager to hear from you. Have you ever imagined standing before mysterious natural phenomena or exploring spectacular locations where Earth reveals its most astonishing secrets? Share your dreams with us in the comments below. If you love discovering the world's marvels with us, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more extraordinary journeys. Your enthusiasm fuels our quest to bring you the planet's most incredible destinations. Whether you're an intrepid explorer, chasing dreams, or a wonder seeker, captivated by Earth's mysteries, this adventure was made for you. Prepare to witness the surreal, the sublime, and the utterly exceptional. This is our world reimagined. Great Blue Hole. Off the coast of Belize lies the magnificent Great Blue Hole, a colossal marine sinkhole stretching over 300 meters across and plunging 125 meters deep. A diver's ultimate fantasy. This geological masterpiece began as a limestone cave system during the last ice age, transformed into an aquatic wonder when rising seas claimed its cavernous chambers. Here's your refined version with improved phrasing while maintaining the original meaning and structure. Its mesmerizing circular formation and thriving marine ecosystem, home to majestic reef sharks and colossal groupers, has captivated both thrill seekers and researchers, earning its prestigious designation as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Barrel sponge spawning along the sun-drenched coasts of the Caribbean and the United States occurs one of the ocean's most magical events. barrel sponge spawning. These underwater giants, among the largest sponge species, release shimmering clouds of eggs and sperm in a perfectly synchronized reproduction ritual. The resulting explosion of color transforms the waters, drawing curious marine creatures to nature's grand spectacle. Beyond its visual wonder, this annual event plays a crucial role in sustaining vibrant coral reef ecosystems, as these extraordinary sponges serve as nature's filtration system while providing shelter for countless marine species. Baradla Cave. This subterranean wonder has echoed with human footsteps since the Neolithic era, its cavern walls whispering secrets of ancient shelters and sacred rituals. Bathed in perfect natural acoustics, the cave transforms into an enchanting underground concert hall, drawing both curious travelers and devoted history buffs to its mystical depths. The marble chapels carved by the patient hands of wind and wave over millennia, the marble chapels rise like cathedral spires from the crystalline waters of General Carrera Lake, straddling Argentina and Chile. Inside their arched chambers, swirling veins of blue and white marble dance across polished stone, their beauty magnified by the lake's mirrored turquoise surface. A vision so ethereal it borders on dream. Reachable only by boat, this secluded masterpiece remains a pilgrimage for intrepid wanderers and photographers chasing the perfect play of light and stone. The Tinto River. In Spain's sun-baked Andalusia, the Tinto River flows like a ribbon of liquid rust, its crimson currents stained by centuries of iron-rich mining history. More than a natural oddity, its acidic waters harbor resilient microorganisms that fascinate scientists, offering clues to life's potential on Mars. Yet beyond its role as a research wonder, the river beguiles with its Martian palette, a magnet for adventurers and lens crafters seeking landscapes torn from another world. Reykjavíkur Hot Springs. Nestled in Iceland's volcanic heart, Reykjavíkur Hot Springs invites travelers to soak in geothermal rivers while surrounded by dramatic lava landscapes. These mineral-rich waters offer the perfect union of relaxation and raw natural power, creating an unforgettable wellness experience amidst steam-kissed terrain. Hvergjorduri. True to its name meaning Steam Valley, Hvergjorduri enchants with its primordial symphony of hissing fumaroles and bubbling mud cauldrons. Set against emerald valleys, this geothermal wonderland blends therapeutic steam baths with untouched wilderness, making it a sanctuary for rejuvenation seekers and landscape photographers. Emerald Lake. Hidden in China's Tian Shan Mountains, Emerald Lake dazzles with liquid turquoise hues, a chromatic marvel created by glacial minerals meeting alpine sunlight. Framed by jagged, snow-dusted peaks, these radiant waters remain a year-round attraction, their ever-changing blues hypnotizing every visitor who treks to this high-altitude jewel. Hydrovolcanic phenomena. When subterranean fire meets water, the Earth stages its most spectacular performances. Oregon's Crater Lake testifies to this explosive ballet, born when Mount Mazama's catastrophic collapse 7,700 years ago created a caldera of startling blue. These steam-driven eruptions continue to shape landscapes, their ashy plumes sculpting ephemeral yet monumental landforms. Weaver bird nests. Africa's master avian architects, weaver birds craft gravity-defying nests resembling golden pendulums. Males meticulously weave these hanging fortresses to woo mates. Females critically inspect each stitch before approving. Sociable weavers elevate this art, constructing towering communal nests that shelter generations in woven skyscrapers that sway with the savanna winds. Fairy chimneys of Cappadocia. Turkey's Cappadocia seems plucked from a fantasy novel, with its army of cone-shaped rock sentinels carved by millennia of wind and rain. Ancient civilizations hollowed these soft volcanic spires into labyrinthine homes and cave churches, creating a surreal open-air museum now graced by hot air balloons floating through dawn's golden light. Walker Canyon Superbloom. When winter rains bless Southern California, Walker Canyon erupts in living fireworks, waves of orange poppies undulating across hillsides like liquid flame. This ephemeral floral spectacle attracts shutterbugs and dreamers alike, transforming arid slopes into impressionist paintings that flourish briefly before summer's heat reclaims the land. The Great Migration. Africa's greatest wildlife drama unfolds annually as thunderous herds of wildebeest and zebras chase the rains across the Serengeti-Mara ecosystem. The treacherous river crossings, where crocodiles lurk beneath churning waters and lions stalk the banks, become nature's ultimate theater of survival, a raw testament to life's relentless pulse. Whitehaven Beach. Australia's Whitsunday Island guards a shoreline so pure it gleams like crushed diamonds. Whitehaven's silica sand stays miraculously cool underfoot. Where swirling aqua tides kiss this 7-kilometer stretch, they create hypnotic sand mandalas best admired from the panoramic vista of Hill Inlet, a pristine paradise preserved by strict conservation. Eldrown Lava Field. Iceland's Eldrown stands as a moss-draped monument to the catastrophic 1783 Laki eruption, when rivers of fire reshaped the island. Today, this 565 square kilometer lava kingdom, wears a velvet cloak of emerald moss, softening its rugged contours into an ethereal dreamscape that glows under the midnight sun. Valley of the Moon. Argentina's Ishigualasto transports visitors to a Triassic time capsule where wind-sculpted monoliths stand like fossilized giants. This lunar badland preserves 230-million-year-old dinosaur footprints and petrified forests, offering paleontologists and stargazers alike a portal to Earth's primordial past beneath surreal pink-hued skies. Pamukkale Thermal Pools. Turkey's Cotton Castle descends in pearly travertine terraces where cobalt thermal waters have cascaded for millennia. These mineral-rich baths, once frequented by Roman aristocracy, now spill down snow-white cliffs like petrified waterfalls, their healing warmth still drawing pilgrims to this calcium-carved wonder. Diamond Head Crater. Honolulu's iconic sentinel, Diamond Head, bears the scars of Oahu's volcanic youth, a 300,000-year-old tuff cone mistakenly named by sailors chasing crystal illusions. The strenuous summit hike rewards adventurers with panoramic postcard views where emerald peaks meet the infinite Pacific blue. Mount Rinjani. Lombok's sacred stratovolcano cradles a celestial sapphire, Sagara Anak Crater Lake, its sulfuric waters revered by local shamans. Trekkers brave Rinjani's smoking slopes to witness dawn gilding this 3,726-meter-high caldera, where volcanic cliffs frame a mirror reflecting both clouds and the climber's exhausted triumph. Lake Baikal's methane bubbles. Siberia's ancient depths exhale frozen secrets. Winter transforms Lake Baikal into a gallery of crystal-captured methane pearls. These eerie, perfectly spherical bubbles rise from decomposing organisms, creating submerged art installations beneath the world's clearest ice. A fleeting spectacle before spring's thaw. Cloud waterfalls. When mountain microclimates perform their rarest trick, dense vapor rivers cascade down cliffs like slow-motion avalanches. These ethereal cloud waterfalls, seen in China's Huangshan or Hawaii's Waimea Canyon, defy gravity briefly, misty phantoms that dissolve even as observers reach for their cameras. Stone Forest of Shilian. China's Yunnan province guards a petrified army. 270 million years of erosion has chiseled karst limestone into jagged stone saplings reaching for the sky. Wandering through Shilan's maze of mineralized trees, visitors tread paths where Jurassic creatures once roamed, now frozen in geological time. The Narrows, USA. Located in Zion National Park in Utah, this stunning canyon is carved by the Virgin River. What makes it truly unique is the hike itself, where visitors wade through the river, surrounded by towering sandstone walls that rise up to 1,000 feet. The narrowest section, known as Wall Street, creates an awe-inspiring atmosphere as the river flows between steep cliffs, offering a rare combination of adventure and natural beauty. It's one of the most popular and thrilling hikes in the park. Split Apple Rock, New Zealand. Located in Abel Tasman National Park, this unique geological formation appears to be a giant apple split in two. The rock, made of granite, is roughly 14 million years old. Its intriguing shape is the result of natural erosion, and it stands as a popular landmark surrounded by crystal-clear waters. The rock's name and shape also have cultural significance to the local Maori people. Wood ant colonies, Sweden. Particularly the wood ants can span hectares and contain millions of ants. These colonies have an incredible social structure, with ants communicating through pheromones and creating large, long-lasting mounds. Carrid Crater, Iceland. This stunning volcanic caldera is known for its vibrant turquoise lake set against red volcanic rock. Estimated to be about 3,000 years old, it is unique for its relatively young geological age compared to other craters in Iceland. The crater is thought to have formed when a volcanic cone collapsed into its magma chamber. Its striking colors and accessible walking paths make it a popular spot for visitors. Fall streak, hole punch cloud. A rare atmospheric phenomenon where a circular gap appears in a cloud layer. This happens when supercooled water droplets suddenly freeze, often triggered by passing aircraft. As the ice crystals grow, the surrounding droplets evaporate, creating the striking hole-like shape. Perseid meteor shower. One of the most spectacular meteor showers, peaking every August as Earth passes through the debris left by Comet Swift-Tuttle. These meteors are known for their brightness and speed, often leaving long glowing trails. At their peak, up to 100 meteors per hour can be seen. Kodachrome Basin State Park, USA. Famous for its unique geology featuring over 60 towering sandpipes, some reaching 170 feet tall. These rare rock formations, believed to be ancient geyser remnants, create a striking desert landscape of red rock against vivid blue skies. Meteor Crater, USA. One of the best preserved impact sites on Earth, formed about 50,000 years ago by a nickel-iron meteorite traveling at 26,000 miles per hour. Measuring nearly a mile wide and 560 feet deep, it provides scientists with valuable insights into planetary impacts. Bioluminescent beaches. Like those in the Maldives or Puerto Rico, these beaches glow with an ethereal blue light caused by microscopic organisms called dinoflagellates. These organisms emit light when disturbed, creating magical scenes as waves crash or footprints trail along the sand. Coco Crater, USA. Located on Oahu, Hawaii, this crater is famous for its challenging hiking trail that ascends over 1,000 steps made from old railway ties. The summit rewards climbers with panoramic views of turquoise waters, rugged cliffs, and lush greenery. Los Gemelos, Galapagos. Twin volcanic sinkholes on Santa Cruz Island surrounded by lush forests. These dramatic craters were formed by collapsing lava chambers and are now a haven for unique wildlife. Devil's Marbles, Australia. Giant, rounded granite boulders scattered across the Northern Territory outback. Formed over millions of years through erosion, they hold deep spiritual significance for the Warramungu people. Chapada Diamantina, Brazil. A breathtaking national park known for its dramatic cliffs, hidden caves, and crystal clear waterfalls. This region was once a hot spot for diamond mining. Bromo Tengger Semeru, Indonesia. Offers a surreal landscape of volcanic beauty dominated by Mount Bromo and active Mount Semeru. At sunrise, the desert transforms into a mystical scene with mist shrouding the peaks. Ciudad Encantada, Spain. A geological wonder where natural limestone formations have been eroded into shapes resembling objects, animals, and even human figures. Grand Prismatic Spring, USA. The largest hot spring in the United States, known for its striking, vibrant colors caused by heat-loving microorganisms. With a diameter of over 370 feet, it discharges an estimated 560 gallons of water per minute. Channeled Scablands, USA. Carved by massive cataclysmic floods during the last ice age around 13,000 years ago. These floods shaped the landscape into dramatic features like deep canyons and ripple marks visible from space. Kalaupapa Cliffs, USA. the tallest sea cliffs in the world, rising over 3,000 feet above the Pacific Ocean on Molokai, Hawaii. These cliffs also border the historic Kalaupapa Peninsula, once a leprosy settlement. Pinnacles Desert, Australia. Filled with thousands of towering limestone formations, some reaching up to 13 feet tall. These structures were formed over millions of years from seashell deposits compacted into limestone. Glacial crevasses, Argentina. Particularly found in the southern Patagonian ice field, these deep, narrow cracks in the ice can reach over 100 feet in depth and showcase brilliant blue colors from compressed ice. Snow monsters, Japan. Found in the mountainous regions of Honshu, especially around Mount Zhao, these towering snow-covered trees are shaped by heavy snowfall and freezing winds, creating eerie, otherworldly figures. Torish Valley, Kazakhstan. Known as the Valley of Balls, this landscape is filled with perfectly round spherical stones scattered across the barren land. Their origin remains debated by scientists. Simpson Desert, Australia. One of the world's largest sand deserts, famous for its striking red sand dunes that can reach up to 40 meters high. Despite its harsh conditions, it offers stunning stargazing. Pobiti Kamani, Bulgaria. Also known as the Stone Forest, this unique site features towering weathered stone columns scattered across a desert-like landscape. Meet the Alpine ibex, Switzerland. A remarkable wild goat native to the rugged mountains, known for its impressive curved horns and climbing abilities. Corvo Caldera, Portugal. Located on the small island of Corvo in the Azores, this massive volcanic caldera offers breathtaking views and a lush green interior. Revillagigedo Archipelago, Mexico. A UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its incredible biodiversity and pristine marine ecosystems, including humpback whales and manta rays. Jeju Island's craters, South Korea. Formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago, these craters provide stunning views and unique landscapes. the Eye of the Earth, Croatia. A deep circular sinkhole filled with turquoise water, creating a mesmerizing view that resembles an eye. Seven Sisters Cliffs, UK. A series of striking white chalk cliffs that rise dramatically above the English Channel, offering breathtaking coastal views. Ijen Volcano, Indonesia. Renowned for its surreal blue fire phenomenon and stunning turquoise acid crater lake. Glory optical effect. A rare and stunning optical effect that creates a halo of bright, colorful rings around the shadow of the observer. Flowering Desert, Chile. Occurs in the Atacama Desert after heavy rainfall, when the desert bursts into a vibrant display of colorful wildflowers. Eye of a hurricane. The calm, clear area at the center of the storm, surrounded by the ferocious eye wall where the most destructive winds occur. Meeting of the waters, Brazil. Where two major rivers, the dark Rio Negro and the sandy-colored Rio Solimões, converge but don't immediately mix. Northern Lights, Aurora Borealis. Vibrant, colorful lights that appear in the polar regions when charged particles from the sun collide with Earth's atmosphere. Great Australian Bight. A stunning stretch of coastline known for its dramatic cliffs, clear waters, and diverse marine life. Golden Rock, Myanmar. A large golden-covered rock perched precariously on the edge of a mountain, believed to be held in place by a single hair of the Buddha. Kyzylkum, Kazakhstan. A vast arid region known for its striking red-hued landscapes and unique geological formations. Mammatus clouds. Rare striking formations known for their pouch-like bulging appearance, usually associated with severe thunderstorms. Cueva del Fantasma, Venezuela. A stunning natural wonder featuring a vast underground cavern with cascading waterfalls and unique rock structures. Sardine Run, South Africa. Every year, millions of sardines migrate along the eastern cape, creating a massive bait ball that attracts dolphins, sharks, and seabirds. The complete atlas of Earth's most baffling wonders. Liquid surrealism. Lake Natron, Tanzania. A crimson chemical soup where pH levels hit 12, capable of mummifying birds mid-flight. Yet 3/4 of Earth's lesser flamingos breed here, their keratin-lined legs proof of evolution's dark humor. Timpishka, Peru. The Amazon's only boiling river, where 100 degrees Celsius waters steam through sacred shamanic sites. Local Matsigenka priests still retrieve herbal medicines from its deadly banks, timing their harvests to geothermal ebbs. Dancing Bubbles, Canada's Abraham Lake. Methane trapped under winter ice transforms this reservoir into a frozen galaxy. Come spring, the melting crust releases alien groans as gas explodes through fissures and gunshot cracks. Mineral alchemy. Dalal, Ethiopia. A hydrothermal nightmare where chlorine cobalt geysers erupt at 118 degrees Celsius, painting salt flats in fluorescent yellows and toxic greens. The only living things, salt-encrusted archaea that metabolize poison. Fly Geyser, Nevada. A man drill gone wrong birthed this rainbow-hued travertine tower in 1964. Now its thermophilic algae create living brushstrokes. Burnt sienna in August, emerald by October. Cave of Crystals, Mexico. Football-sized gypsum daggers grow in Naka's 58 degrees Celsius caverns, some 12-meter spears angling downward like a quartz chandelier mid-collapse. Human explorers survive only with ice-cooled suits and 20-minute limits. Gravity's pranks. Kjærgbolten, Norway. A 5-ton glacial erratic wedged between cliff faces, suspended 3,000 feet above Lysefjord. Base jumpers use it as a launching pad, their parachutes blooming like jellyfish beneath the floating stone. Magnetic Hill, New Brunswick. Cars roll uphill at this gravitational hallucination where Arctic fox tracks sometimes appear in snow, heading the wrong way. Scientists still debate if it's an optical tilt or hidden ferrous deposits. Floating islands, Lake Titicaca. The Euros people stitch totora reeds into living rafts that support entire villages. Walk too heavily and the ground undulates like a waterbed, their ancestors' solution to avoiding Inca taxes. living paradoxes. Bloodfalls, Antarctica. Taylor Glacier's rusty discharge was once thought to contain alien microbes. Truth? An iron-rich subglacial lake, isolated for 3 million years, now bleeding through ice like a planetary wound. Socotra's dragon trees, Yemen. These umbrella-shaped giants bleed crimson sap when cut, the source of ancient dragons' blood pigment. Their fruits exude nectar that Socotra starlings harvest, staining their beaks sacrificial red. Fire Chasm, Australia's burning mountain. A coal seam has smoldered underground for 7,000 years. Aboriginal rangers still cook bush potatoes in its vents, while the soil above sprouts heat-resistant emperor flowers found nowhere else. Atmospheric illusions. Green flashes, Tanzibar. At sunset over the Indian Ocean, the sun's final sliver sometimes flares neon green, a refractive trick where Earth's atmosphere acts like a prism filtering blue away. Moonbows, Zimbabwe. Victoria Falls spray catches lunar rays during full moons, casting spectral arcs visible only through long exposure cameras. Or sleep-deprived explorers' widened pupils. Morning glory clouds, Australia. 1,000-kilometer-long roll clouds barrel across the Gulf of Carpentaria every spring. Scientists suspect they're the atmospheric equivalent of a tidal bore, but locals swear they're ancestor spirits racing. Final curios. Taos Hum, New Mexico. 5% of visitors report hearing a phantom diesel engine in this desert town. Possible culprits? Ultra-low frequency geology, secret military tech, or, as Pueblo elders claim, the underground river's singing stones. Crooked Forest, Poland. 400 pine trees all bend 90 degrees northward at their bases, their trunks forming perfect hockey sticks. Was it Nazi tank experiments? A lumberjack cult? The most plausible theory involves unique sapling weighting in 1938. Catatumbo lightning, Venezuela. The Maracaibo Basin hosts 1.2 million annual lightning strikes, so predictable they once guided pirate ships. NASA recently discovered these nightly pyrotechnics may be Earth's largest natural ozone generator.